दोस्त, आज हम देख रहे हैं कैसा अभी हम पाइथन के बारे में सीख रहे हैं। आपने से भी नहीं देखा होगा, आपको पता भी ना हो तो मैं उसके बारे में बोलता हूँ। हम दोनों लैंग्वेज में ये लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। जैसा कि हम इंग्लिश भी इसमें बोलने वाले, इंग्लिश में भी बोल कर ये आपको जैसे समझ में आए उस तरीके से हम इंग्लिश में बात करके ये वीडियो बना रहे हैं। ये वीडियो बनाने के पीछे one reason है, that is where we have need, then I will start, then you can check what happened in that video. First I can start now. Here everyone has firstly download Anaconda prompt, or you can search on Google and install Anaconda prompt. You can install it and finish that installations. You can observe that in that case where the finishing step is that is Anaconda prompt in that folder, in that file. You can finish the that file and you can observe that is Anaconda prompt. Firstly, everyone who person started the watching my first video, I am not I am not important, that is you are not follow my channels, not subscribe, but you can receive or count something, or you getting something my points where I am observing, I am understanding that, I am sending that points, and I am presenting that points in front of you. You can observe and you can understand that things. That's why I will create that types of videos you can watch and understand. Okay, so let's now start. Firstly, you can install Anaconda prompt, and next all procedure is finished. So आप आगे जाके Anaconda prompt देख सकते हैं. So उसमें क्या है, अभी मैं Anaconda prompt को ओपन करता हूँ. जब आपको स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दे रहा होगा, ये जो प्रॉम्प्ट है इसमें हम जुपिटर नोटबुक डालेंगे. ये Anaconda प्रॉम्प्ट में हम जुपिटर नोटबुक क्या कर रहे हैं, इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं और ओपन कर रहे हैं. फर्स्टली हमें उसमें जुपिटर नोटबुक की कमांड देनी पड़ेगी. सम पार्ट्स in the includes some libraries in the Jupyter. You can install or import something on that. Okay, so firstly हम Jupyter नोटबुक के बारे में, नोटबुक को क्या करते हैं, ओपन करते हैं. ऐसा ये जो प्रॉम्प्ट है उसमें दिया हुआ है बेस सी यूजर 3. जो इस ये जो दे रहा है सी, ये जो सी के बेस बोल रहा है, तो ये सी के बारे में बोल रहा है, तो ये सी डिस्क है. सी डिस्क में वो कहाँ है, यूजर्स में है, 3 में है, और उसमें वो प्रॉम्प्ट है, वो प्रॉम्प्ट की डायरेक्शन दिखा रहा है, वो जो प्लेस दिखा रहा है. देन हम आगे क्या करने वाले हैं, ये जो जुपिटर नोटबुक को यहाँ पे मैंने टाइप किया, वैसे आप भी टाइप करिए. उससे पहले आपको Anaconda प्रॉम्प्ट को इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. उसमें जो फिनिश प्रोसेस है उसमें ये प्रॉम्प्ट आता है. प्रॉम्प्ट को नेक्स्ट ऐसा सिंबल आता है, उसमें जब हम इंस्टॉलेशन डालते हैं तब नेक्स्ट जैसा सिंबल आता है आप उसमें ऑब्जर्व कर सकते हैं. और आप अपने पीसी पे कौन सा भी हो, मेरा विंडो 7 है, विंडो 10 हो, कौन सा भी हो, उस पर चलता है. सो मैं एंटर करता हूँ. जब मैं एंटर करता हूँ तब ये मुझको जुपिटर नोटबुक ओपन करके देगा. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर वेयर I am running some different parts in that case, but firstly I am starting with the where the important parts. Okay, so first I have always done before the last on that Jupyter notebook. You can observe here I can all over explain it on my way. Okay, just you can observe X means firstly I am explaining where you can use, that is the you observe the home page, that is repeater page. It is a home page. You can observe here, that is a copy or save. All over things you doing something in that, in the this page, and you have some arises problem like a kernel stop or pg kernel right now. That times you can save these things and go to kernel and go save this, which one is done, where which one you are done something, then you can save here. You have observed something which is error considered, that you can go to the kernel point and you can restart the option used to restart all over kernel and run again first to last. Then you can observe your output. You know, I am firstly x equal to 5. That means x variable store the value 5, that is storing that 5 in x. You can observe it in that every Jupyter notebook run and giving the output. How to getting the output, you can enter, not only enter, shift plus enter, you getting the output. Okay, that is that in that case you can observe add button. That means you can add something else. You can observe adding, you know, adding, that types of adding. And this this cut select cell, cut selects this cells. I think you can observe here, firstly I am avoid that cell, that time I can use cut. Then this cell is cutting now, and they not observe here. Okay, this means copy the select cell. Which cell I have copied, you can select that cell and this symbol. Same things in that case, pass cells below, you can use that and pass cells below. Okay, and this is enter cells, move select cells up or down. Where I have x equal to 4, shift enter. These cells I have on upper side, so that time you can select that cell, only touch on that cell and upper the cell. You can observe this cell go to the upper. You have this upper cell, you can down the in that cell, you can select that cell, only touch on that, and you can move the select cell down, the symbol to down here. Okay, where I have, and where I have run, I can use shift plus enter. Also I can use run option to getting the output of this. This means interrupt the kernel, that's say interrupt. Where I have this text, you can use kernel option or that things. You can reload the page, anything you have mistaken, you can reload that. You can next one is that restart the kernel, you can use this, you can use direct to this. You can here you can observe here, you can see here code means where I have putting, that is x equal to 4, where I have for loops in every loops, you can observe in that case. Next is markdown, where I have noted down something, that is like a for loops case. You can heading now, you can mark down now, run and be convert, that types of heading also markdown types, that is markdown, that is markdown. Okay, this cell is not a coding cell, this cell is a markdown cell, you can observe here. Next is heading, where I have heading is that in that cell I can use for loop, where I have for loop. Okay, for loop something. Okay, for loop, that's it. Okay, you can use this, you can change heading also. In that case you can use hash, they are commented, they are not running, everything is not running. You can observe here running but not output getting, where I have using the hash. you can done something, everything. That is a keyboard. When open the command panel, that means palette म्हणजे that means we can observe we have a laptop keyboard issue. You can use that, you can use that, and you can use mouse and this one, and you can type something. You can observe here. Okay, coding change to cell. Okay, automatically not trust this, not okay. Now you can observe it is a home page. I am already something notebooks are created, but you are firstly started. You can use this home page, then you can use this new Python, and you click on that, this one, you can new page open or new notebook opened. Okay, that names is automatically named. You can use file, and where you have download, rename, you can observe some things and you can understand easily. Edit, where you have cell, put copy, cut, copy cells, all of they are detected in here. You can observe something. View also, then insert also something, cell also, where I have inserting cells above and below. You can observe. Then downloads and aborts, the cells where there are cells, where run cells, which have run all the statement where I have done something, the 100 of cells. Okay, you know 100 of cells, you getting 100 of cells, you can adding 100 of cells, and you are constructing something or creating some things of you have what you want, then you can observe all over. You are the 100th number cell, you are doing on 100 number cell, but that one times issue not running firstly. So in that case you can go to the first cell and run step by step all over. That time you can use cell option and run cells that select below above, which can be that time you can use run all to get all the cells. You can automatically run, only use run all option above. That you can understand above, where I have that position, but I have run above cell. You can use run all above, above all or all below. You can use, you can run cells and select below. Okay, select below वो भी सेम तरीके से चलने वाला है. वैसे ही कर्नल के बारे में हम कह सकते हैं, अगर विट्स वैसा ही हेल्प के बारे में बता देगा. तो हम अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं. अभी मैंने कट के बारे में सभी को कट करना है. मैंने जितना सेल ऐड किया है ना सभी को कट करना है. मैं ऐड करता जाऊँ तो आपको दिखाता. पहले हम सिंपल से जाएंगे, वेयर आई कैन यूज द. मैंने सब कुछ पहले किया है, मैं आपको इस वीडियो में बता दूंगा क्या करना है. अभी मेरे को एक वैल्यू है, उसको मेरे पास 5 है. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर 5. You can see here 5 is here, and shift enter. Only 5 getting the output where I have, but I can store that 5 in x equal to 5. You can enter here, not getting output directly. You can enter where you are storing, where I am storing x in 5 in x, sorry 5 in x. Okay, so that is the first video for all over about the Jupyter notebook. The next video I can start everyone in that case. That is starting is all over. Firstly you watch something also, then again 5 minutes I can observe something. Okay, you want you observed something like addition, multiplication. You can observe in next video. You can observe something about the Jupyter notebook. What is the Jupyter notebook, where use, what use. Python पाइथन के लिए एक्चुअली पाइथन के लिए यूज़ किया जा रहा है. सो हम पाइथन के लिए कर रहे हैं. ऐसे ही हम आगे वीडियो बनाते जाएंगे. ये फर्स्ट स्टेप है, आपको इसके बारे में पता कर दिया है. आगे के वीडियो में हम आपको वो जो सब उसके बारे में जो लूप्स है वो सभी की वीडियो आने वाले हैं. पहले बेसिक से जाएंगे तो आगे हम सभी देख लेंगे. सो वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो कमेंट करना, वीडियो को लाइक भी करना, सब्सक्राइब करो. ये मैं नहीं कहूँगा, किया तो भी अच्छा है. सो आपके फ़ायदे का है। तो देखो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको वो जो बेसिक है, जहाँ पे जो आपको